Happy whatever today is. It's a couple days after Thanksgiving and I'm in the Christmas spirit and my house is a mess. We just got back from our Thanksgiving vacation and I don't know how many of you have to like rearrange your house to fit a Christmas tree. We have a really small house. We don't have room for everything in our house. And so tonight I'm going to spend maybe an hour rearranging my room. I have laundry everywhere. I have boxes everywhere because we were trying to sell our house earlier this year. That didn't work out. So now we just have boxes in some places that we haven't finished unpacking. So tonight I'm going to clean everything in my room. I'm gonna shove stuff like these boxes right here that have been sitting at the end of my bed seriously since like July and it's December almost. Yeah, so those I'm gonna put in the living room. I have stuff under my bed. I'm gonna put those in the living room. I'm gonna move this desk over here, right there, that desk. We're gonna move it over here. We're gonna shove the bed over this way. It's a whole thing. We're rearranging my room and then we're gonna rearrange the living room and fit some extra stuff in my room. So let's get to it. I might show you the whole process. I might not. I might show you some of it and then show you the after. I haven't really decided because life is just crazy. But I thought I would bring you along on this journey because I know some people are like me and they live in smaller houses and don't have room for all of the stuff in your house all the time. And so you have to rearrange at the holidays. Well, that's my situation, so if that's your situation too, come along with me and just enjoy getting some cleaning motivation. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, Scrapbookers, I thought I would start out by showing you the crazy, insane, clustery room that I had to clean up, and there is a lot of dirt and mud and yuck outside in our backyard right now and dog hair all over my floor. So it was a good thing I did this. And then here is what my scrap area looked like before I started. It was kind of insane. So now that we got the Christmas tree up, we had moved everything. If you want to see the process of cleaning the bedroom and rearranging my bedroom, I will have that posted over on my cleaning YouTube channel. Over here on this channel, I just decided to show you my scrapbook space area and cleaning that up because some of the stuff that couldn't fit in the bedroom, I just kind of piled on top of my desk. So it was a mess, and you will have seen that kind of at the beginning, and I just started pulling things off and going through things as I went along. So I'm just going to put music to the rest of this, but I hope that you are having a wonderful Christmas season, and I will hopefully see you guys again tomorrow. I'm hoping to be able to share my December daily kit or December documented. I am not doing December daily. I'm just going to do 25 different stories from the month of December. So look forward to that tomorrow. Thanks for watching.